The secret to McDonald's legendary Big Mac has always been that special sauce. Since 1967, this creamy, tangy masterpiece has had burger lovers hooked. For decades, this recipe was locked away in McDonald's vault with bottles selling for thousands online. But today, we're cracking that code and making it right in your kitchen. You're going to need a few ingredients for this. You're going to need mayonnaise as your base, India relish for that authentic kick, brown mustard like Gulden's, white vinegar for tang, paprika for color and depth, plus onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper for that perfect seasoning blend. Combine everything in a bowl and mix until it's silky smooth. The key is letting those flavors get to know each other. Rest for at least an hour, and this is the secret to that signature taste. This sauce just isn't for burgers. Try it with fries, chicken nuggets, or even as a special dip for your veggies. Store it in an airtight container for up to a week, but remember, it tastes best if brought to room temperature first. Now you can enjoy that famous Big Mac flavor anytime, right at home with Copycat.com.